Whew. It is cold outside today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Driversside. Today we're doing yet another video on the Cafe Racer. Today we're going to check out what's in this box. And if you've watched some of my other videos, you probably know what it is. Or you know, at least, that it's one of a couple things. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over to the truck bed and we're going to get it open. So let's check out what we got in the box. Right there. Sweet. Alrighty, so here's the headlight in all its glory. I kind of put it together a little bit for you guys so you can kind of see how it would look. So this headlight is more of a tracker or scrambler style headlight, and I decided to do this because I really liked the vintage look of cafe racers, how a lot of them will have the X in tape over the light to keep the glass from cracking, but I wanted a little bit cleaner of a look than just putting tape over the light. So I went with this style headlight because, one, it's kind of bullet shaped, which is sort of a vintage look. It's got yellow glass, which I think is really cool, and it's got this grate, which I think is a little bit cleaner than tape. So that's why I went with this. This headlight came with two mounts, and these are actually clamp mounts that clamp around each fork on the bike, and I think that's pretty cool because it allows you to move the headlight up or down depending on how high you want it. So we'll probably end up using these, but for now I might try and mount this on the old mounts that are on the bike. Just to give you guys a little bit of an overview, this is going to be getting painted. The grate is going to get the same gold treatment that the gas cap and Suzuki logos have. So that's going to be paint matched to those, and the rest of the metal housing is going to be paint matched to the tank. So without wasting any more of you guys' time, let's try and take the old headlight off and try and mount this on the old mounts. Oh, alright, well, the old headlight's off, and we were able to use the old mounts to mount the new headlight. It looks really good, actually, even better than I was expecting. And I also had to get the gauges off just so I could sit the headlight up here. So like I said, this is probably just a temporary solution until I get everything painted and everything how I want it. I'll probably end up cutting these old mounts off and using the mounts that it came with just to mount it a little bit lower so I can get that Cafe Racer line that everybody always talks about. That'll make it look really good. I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description if you guys want to pick up this headlight or maybe one kind of like it. As always, make sure to leave me a thumbs up because that really helps out the channel, helps the videos spread around, and also subscribe if you want to see more videos on the Cafe Racer or on my M3 or on road trips. I'm actually just editing a road trip video that I did in Colorado, so that'll be out soon. Also, expect the gas tank to be painted pretty soon. I've got a couple more videos on the gas tank and then it should be completely finished. So that's probably what's next for the bike. But yeah, it's getting really cold out here, so I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, enjoy the road.